to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. And she skipped away from me, and this she did say: it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. She stepped away from me, and she moved through the fair, and slowly I watched her move here and move there. And she went away slowly with a one-star away. And the swan in the evening moves over the lake. Last night she came to me, my young love came in. So softly she entered that her feet made no din, and she came close beside me, and this she did say: it will not be long, love, not be long, love, not be long, love, till our wedding day. Nice job. Let's hear it for Kevin. Wonderful. One of my favorite Irish songs is that one.